Dear students, welcome to another series of Speed Maths session. Today the topic is squares. We will see how quickly we can calculate squares right in our mind. So practically we need squares of up to say 125. So these squares we can very quickly calculate in our mind within 2-3 seconds. So we will learn a very quick technique how to do that, and with practice it's very easy to be done. So all you have to do is listen carefully to the concept today, and we will practice such a very important tool which will help us in most of the competitive exams. So let's look at the squares of numbers 100 to 125. Let's take a number between 100 to 125. Let's take 105. To quickly calculate the square of 105, how to do it? It's a very easy method. Listen carefully. First, we have to take a difference from 100. So we have to take the difference from 100. So what will it be? 5. So the difference is going to be 5. So this answer we will find in two parts. The first part is, listen carefully, it's very simple. 105 plus 5, that is 110. So the first part of our answer is 110. Now the second part, what is the second part? That is simply the square of this 5. Square of this 5. What is the square of 5? 25. See, you get the answer very quick. 105 square. Only thing we have to think is, what is the difference from 100? What is the difference from 100? The difference is 5. So the first part of our answer is 105 plus 5, that is 110. The second part is 5 square, 25. Now let's do it very quickly now. What is the square of 106? So it would have already come to your mind, the difference is going to be 6. The difference is going to be 6. So what is the first part? 106 plus 6. So the first part is 106 plus 6, that is 112. What is the second part? That is 6 square. 6 square is 36. So you get the answer straight away like that. So I hope this technique is clear to you. We will practice some questions to make it more thorough. So my dear students, let's see some questions for practice now. 109 square. How will you do this? So I told you we have to take the difference from 100. What is that difference? 9. So the first part is going to be 109 plus 9, that is 118. What is the second part? That is 9 square. So that is 81. 118, 81. Let's look at this. What is the difference from 100? It is going to be 4. So what is the first part? 104 plus 4, that is 108. So the first part is 108. What is the second part? Square of this 4. So what is square of this 4? That is going to be 16. So the answer is 10816. So the method is very simple and clear. You can quickly calculate in your mind. Let's look at this one, 102 square. Now there's going to be a small change here. What is the difference from 100? Difference is going to be 2. What is the first part? 102 plus 2, that is 104. So the first part is clear. 102 plus 2. Now what is the second part? Second part is going to be 2 square. So that 2 square is equal to 4. But remember one thing, this part should always have 2 digits. So if you are getting a single digit, we have to make it 04. So we have to put it as 04. So this is the first variation we have to keep in mind. Whenever we are doing the square of this number, if it happens to be a single digit, we have to prefix a 0. So it becomes 10404. Okay. Let's look at this one. 103 square. So what is the difference from 100? The difference from 100 is going to be 3. What is going to be the first part? 103 plus 3, that is 106. 106. What is the second part? So 3 square we are going to get 9, but remember from here we have to make it 09. So always remember, the second part is always 2 digits. The second part is always 2 digits. So we got 3 square 9, but we will have to write it as 09. If you accidentally write it as 106 and simply the 9, then the answer is wrong. You will have to always write it as 09. Okay. Let's come to this one. 111 square. What is the difference from 100? The difference is going to be 11. So what is the first part? there is no change to the first part. It's always 111 plus 11. What is it? 122. 111 plus 11 is going to be 122. Now the second part is going to be 11 square. What is 11 square? 11 square is equal to 121. But remember from here what I told you. The second part can only be 2 digits. The second part can only be 2 digits, but we have 3 digits here. So we have to take that as a carry. Whenever we have an extra digit, we have to move it to the next part. So we can only write 21 here. This 1 will go as a carry. It's very simple. If you understand it well, then it is very simple. So this 1 will go as a carry because this part can only have 2 digits. So the final answer will be 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Let's look at a similar example like this. Here, what is the difference? Difference is going to be 13. The difference is going to be 13. So the first part 113 plus 13, that is 126. No change to the first part. It is always 113 plus 13, that is 126. The second part 13 square. So we know that 13 square is equal to 169. So what I told you, here only 2 digits can come. There is no place for this 1 to come there. So it will go as a carry. So this 126 is going to become 127. So our answer will be 12769. I have written the 69 here and this 1 I have added to the first part. So we get the answer as 12769. Now I will just give you a challenge. Can you do it in your mind? It's very easy to do. All you need is a little bit of concentration and focus. So you can get it in your mind. Let me give you a number. Try to close your eyes and just imagine the difference, see the difference in your mind and try to calculate the answer in your mind. I am very sure you will get it. I am very sure you will get the answer. Let's take the number. Let's take the number 107. Let's take the number 107. What could be the answer? You should have got it by then. I mean, you should have got it by now. 107. Just close your eyes. What is the difference? Difference is 7. First part is going to be 114. 107 plus 7, 114. Second part is 7 square, that is 49. So you can quickly get in your mind. 11449 is your answer. 11449 is your answer. How did I get 107? I added 7, so I got this 114. 7, I can see that number in my mind. 7 square is 49. So I am getting the answer 11449. Let me give you one more. What is the square of 109? What is the square of 109? I am sorry, it is already there. Let me give you a different number. What is the square of, let's pick something which is not here already. What is the square of 106? What is the square of 106? Just quickly imagine in your mind. What will be the square of 106? I think you would have already got it. The first part is going to be 112. The second part is going to be 36. So I'm hoping this is clear to you. We'll come back with the next section. So right now we have discussed numbers from 100 to 125. So you can do any squares with this method in the range 100 to 125. We'll come back in the next part with more numbers. Thank you so much.